So here we are in a Crimean shopping center and it's full summer. It's fucking warm outside and here there's just a ice skating area where people are ice skating in the middle of the summer. It's crazy for me to see this, but apparently it's normal.
It's really normal. In every commercial center we have at least one patinoire, so it's still okay.
I'm in such a huge supermarket that everything is there 3 times. Look, it's like an army of food. Yeah, amazing. I'm so happy, guys, because this is the first time of all my journey in Crimea that I found normal fresh bread. Really, this is paradise. Okay, so this is a crazy game. You give money to the machine and then the machine is going to put air and then the money is coming up and you have 10 seconds to grab all the money that you can. And this is Alina and she tries to get rich but she doesn't succeed at all. Oh, she's crying for help and she doesn't get anything. Just zero. She just wasted 50 rubles of her life money. Oh, too bad. What are we going to do? We are going to play Russian billiard, Russian pool. And as you see, the table is way bigger than the American billiard, which is here. And also, the balls are way bigger and the holes are smaller, so that means that it's way more difficult than American billiard.
Yeah,
and this guy is professional in Russian billiard.
So I know the rules, I can teach you. So at first you have to punch this stuff.
Okay.
After that you have to run 3 rounds around the table.
Okay.
After all, doing push-ups for 10, maybe 10 times, and only after that you can throw the ball into the wall, and you will win.
Let's climb this Demerdzhi mountain before it's completely dark. Hi guys, I'm standing and chilling on the tower on the top of Demerdzhi mountain, and this place is quite interesting. We camped this night on the spots down there. You see all those rocks, there are layers and holes inside, and if you're a bit more down from here it's difficult to see, but they are reminding of monsters and random people and animals and strange creatures. And it's called the Valley of Ghosts. You should look it up on Wikipedia. There's a lot of information and there are some legends about this place and it's really interesting.
My crazy and strong boyfriend. Look at his ass and his muscles. It's a ton of muscles. Yesterday he ate so much of protein, so he's too strong now.
Here we can clearly see some figures in the rocks. For example, that guy over there with a hat on his head. We slept on this spot here. Now our tent is gone, of course, but it was a cozy place to sleep. Here are some other rocks. To be honest, I don't see a lot of figures in it myself. There should be a lot of different creatures to see, but my imagination is maybe not on point. My imagination was strong enough to discover a girl's ass. It's like a girl or a guy, of course, laying on the table without head.
Мало мне напоминает мой Минск. Он без бабок идет на движ. Стопудовый оптимист.
At this very moment, we are 18 meters lower than the highest mountain top of Crimea. As you see, a stunning view, 360 degrees around.